Here, Athena is a professional gamer. She has her information like email and banking details saved in gaming accounts. One day Athena received an email of special bonus money for the game. In order to redeem the bonus money she had to fill her account credentials. She couldn't sense the scam which was ahead coming, as she assumed that it was just a verification step. She overlooked the danger. Ample money was stolen from her account. Then she realized that the offer was fake and her gaming account witnessed unauthorized access of third party. This type of activity is a cyber attack, and the person who is responsible is called a hacker. Could Athena had prevented this attack? Surely, with the help of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity helps in securing various digital components, networks, data, and computer systems from unauthorized access. Cybersecurity has multiple ways to secure your data. Depends on your type of network and type of cyber attack you are vulnerable to. Some of the cyber attacks which Athena could have been exposed to. Phishing attack. This is the type of cyber attack Athena experienced. Phishing attacks are the practice of sending fraudulent communications that appear to come from a reputable source. It is usually done through email. The goal is to steal sensitive data like credit card and login information, or to install malware on the victim's machine. One of the most common attacks is a malware attack like Trojan, spyware, and worm is designed to damage and destroy computer systems. While downloading a software, an auspicious file comes attached with it. The next one is the man-in-the-middle attack. Here the hacker gains access to the direct communication line between Athena's computer and the website server by taking the IP address of Athena's computer. By this the communicate between her and the server is secretly intercepted. Another one is a password attack like brute force or credential stuffing. Being offline and online attacks with passwords. DDoS attack. A distributed denial of service (DOS) attack is a malicious attempt to disrupt the normal traffic of a targeted server, service, or network by overwhelming the target or its surrounding infrastructure with a flood of internet traffic. Athena can prevent herself from these attacks by using some of these methods. By installing Firewall. A firewall is a virtual wall that monitors incoming and outgoing network traffic. In addition, she also used two-step verification, antivirus software, and started avoiding unknown mails. Let's see some of the major cyber attacks that took place. We all love to play games on PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, smartphones, and on our laptops too, but did you know? The 2011 PlayStation Network outage, sometimes referred to as the PSN hack, was the result of an external intrusion on Sony's PlayStation Network and Curiosity services, in which personal details from approximately 77 million accounts were compromised and prevented users of PlayStation 3 and PlayStation Portable consoles from accessing the service. The attack occurred between April 17 and April 19, 2011, forcing Sony to turn off the PlayStation Network on April 20. On May 4, Sony confirmed that personally identifiable information from each of the 77 million accounts had been exposed. The outage lasted 23 days. Ever thought so? Food could also attack back. Domino's attack was discovered by an Israeli cybercrime specialist who shared the specifics on. A hacker allegedly stole 13 terabytes of data from Domino's. The database includes details of 18 crore, 180 million, orders, customer names, phone numbers, email IDs, addresses, and payment details, including details of at least 10 lakh, 1 million, credit cards. The hacker also accessed the internal records of Domino's employees. Reports say details of 250 employees have been leaked. The hacked data is now up for sale on the dark web, the internet space that remains hidden from the masses and can't be accessed with a simple Google search. So, if you can spot a scam, you can stop a scam. Follow the rule of PPB, beware of phone scams. Protect your money, protect your identity. And lastly, cybersecurity, our shared responsibility.
#BeFraudSmart